Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Kwadekar and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Commerce Pronouns। ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को कॉमर्स रिलेटेड बेसिक टर्म को इजी तरह से सिखाने की कोशिश करूंगी। So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in today's class, we will study about the introduction to the accountancy subject and some basic terms in accountancy. So students always get confused with the word accountancy and business, whether it is interrelated or not. Yes, it is interrelated. Why? Because suppose I am running a business of a restaurant, I will have to maintain certain records into the business. Day-to-day records, whether we earn profit or loss into business, it is shown by a financial statement, that is accountancy, and that record is maintained by a person. It is maintained by a person who is known as accountant. And this whole process, from whom this accountant will take all the information about the business, whether he has earned profit or loss into the business, that whole process is called as an accounting process. Next is the terms in accountancy. First is the transaction. Transaction simple meaning is it is a give and take process. For example, in a simple way, suppose I am running a grocery shop and a customer comes to me to purchase 1 kg of sugar and I give him 1 kg of sugar and in return he give me cash. So that process of give and take is called as a transaction in accountancy. Second is about asset. A simple meaning of asset is it is a property owned and controlled by a businessman. For example, machinery. Suppose I am purchasing a machinery, land for a business, so it will be controlled and owned by me itself, means by the businessman. So that is called as an asset. The third term is liability. It is an obligation to do or to pay. In simple meaning, you have heard the word as udhari. Right? Suppose I am taking a loan or taking money from a person and saying that I will pay you tomorrow. So that becomes a liability to me. Means I have not yet paid to that person. So that is called as a liability. Fourth term is capital. It is the money invested into a business. So you cannot start a business with zero amount, right? You have to invest certain money. So that money which a businessman invests into the business is called as a capital. Fifth term is income or revenue. It is the amount received from the sale of goods and services. For example, if I am selling 1 cup of coffee to a customer for rupees 20, so that 20 rupees will be your income. Okay, but income and profit are not the same. When we call it as profit, when from income, when you deduct cost, the remaining amount which we get, that is called as a profit. So the last term in accountancy we learn is about expenses. It is any cost incurred to provide any services or sell any goods. So whatever cost that we incurred while selling a product, suppose I am selling this marker for rupees 20 to a customer. So that 20 rupees will be your income, and whatever expenses which I have incurred to produce this marker, that amount will be called as an expenses. That's all for today's class. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to learn more in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a session. Thank you for watching. Stay focused, keep learning. See you in the next class.